Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for an AI Sofiya account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log in, now to sign up for an AI Sofiya account, which is a awesome ad generator for your social medias as well as the text to speech and a platform where you can edit or design your videos on over there. And now to log into this amazing platform, let's enter the web address on the search bar of our browser so we can see. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, to the similar open up your preferred browser, and in the search bar enter the address AI.com and hit on enter, and then it'll be directed to the home page of the AI Sofiya. And you can see guys, this is the home page. Now in order to register an account on the AI Sofiya, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the sign up button available over here. Click on the sign up. But guys, before proceeding to the registration page, you will be required to choose your plan with which you will be able to use all of these features and then on the Sofiya AI. Let's go, and I'll be just starting with starter pack. You can choose any of these as you like after you read all of the descriptions over here guys. So let's go, let's sign up. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your full name in order to register an account. Start the credentials and enter your full name, your email address with which you will be using your AI Sofiya account later on. And let's go, and after that enter your password. Can you also need to choose your country, but for me guys, I'll just leave the same. You choose where you are. And that being said guys, after entering your password once again, you type your password over here to confirm it. And after doing all of these, entering all of your credentials, simply click on this circle or the toggle icon over here to turn it blue, and which also means you have agreed to their terms and conditions and their privacy policies. And after doing all of these guys, simply click on the sign up button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your payment details like your PayPal or your credit or your debit cards, and a verification link also will be sent to your email address over here with which you have signed up, or the entered email address over here. And go to your email address, open that link and click on the verification link to verify that you're a human. And on the next step, you will also have to pay for the subscription amount, which is currently for the $10, but you will have to choose, or you have to pay according to the package you chose. And with that being said guys, after doing all of this, you will have signed up for AI Sofiya account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.